Why does it rain? Have you ever wondered why it rains? Well, it all starts with a fascinating process called the water cycle. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1: Sunshine and water. The sun shines brightly on rivers, lakes, and oceans, warming the water. This warmth causes some of the water to transform into tiny, invisible bits known as water vapor. These bits float up into the air. Step 2: Making clouds. As the water vapor rises, it cools down and begins to stick together, forming clouds. Imagine clouds as big, fluffy pillows made up of countless tiny water droplets. Step 3: Getting heavy. When clouds gather enough water droplets, they become heavy. Just like a sponge that can only hold so much water before it starts to drip, clouds can only hold so much before they release their contents. Step 4: Time to rain. When the clouds can no longer hold any more water, the droplets fall to the ground as rain. This is the moment we all recognize as rain. So, rain occurs when the sun shines, warms the water, and the clouds become full. It can rain at different times, like in the morning or afternoon, depending on the weather. Now you know how rain is formed. It's all part of the incredible water cycle that keeps our planet alive. Thanks for watching, and remember to appreciate the beauty of rain. Here are some key terms and processes you should know about rain formation. Rain formation is a complex process that involves several key steps in the water cycle. Here's a brief overview about the important terms. Evaporation. The process of rain begins with the evaporation of water from surfaces such as oceans, rivers, and lakes. This water vapor rises into the atmosphere due to heat from the sun. This is called evaporation. Condensation. As the water vapor rises, it cools and begins to condense into tiny water droplets, forming clouds. This process is called condensation. This occurs when the air reaches its dew point, the temperature at which air becomes saturated with moisture. Cloud formation. The condensed water droplets cluster together to form clouds. This process is called cloud formation. These clouds can vary in size and density, depending on the amount of water vapor present and the atmospheric conditions. Coalescence. Within the clouds, the tiny water droplets collide and merge to form larger droplets. This process is known as coalescence. As the droplets grow larger, they become heavy enough to overcome air resistance. Precipitation. Once the droplets reach a sufficient size, they fall to the ground as precipitation, which can occur in various forms, including rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature and atmospheric conditions. Collection. The precipitation collects in bodies of water, such as rivers, lakes, and oceans, where the cycle can begin anew. Thanks for watching.